From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a boring and noisy alarm clock? I know I was until I found the Nordic Candy Color Cute cartoon hand-painted alarm clock by Werfo. This adorable little clock is a total game changer. Not only is it visually appealing with its cute cartoon design and vibrant colors, but it's also incredibly functional. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its unique features and benefits. One of the things that really stands out about this clock is its quiet movement. The gentle ticking sound is almost inaudible, allowing for a peaceful sleep without any distractions. The metal frame gives it a sturdy feel and a sleek texture that fits perfectly with any bedroom or living room decor. I also love that it's noise cancelling, which means I can sleep soundly without being disturbed by any outside noise. The small size of just 10 by 10 centimeters makes it perfect for bedside tables or even as a decoration on a shelf. I've been using it in my bedroom and it's been a great addition. The cute design always puts a smile on my face when I wake up. It's also a great option for kids' rooms or as a small gift for friends and family. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Nordic Candy Color Cute cartoon hand-painted alarm clock. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and quiet alarm clock that's also visually appealing, so if you're in the market for a new alarm clock, I would definitely recommend giving this one a try. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.